Hello dear students, class 7th, 10th topic adverbs in grammar and me. Before starting the topic, we must know what adverbs are. Children, adverbs are the words that add something to the meaning of verb. जो verb के बारे में बताते हैं, verb कहाँ हुई, कैसी हुई, कब हुई. So there are various kinds of adverbs like adverb of place, manner, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency. ठीक है, इसकी डिटेल स्टडी हम इस वीडियो में करेंगे एंड वी विल सॉल्व द बुक एक्सरसाइजेस. ठीक है, ये देखिए मैनर, प्लेस, टाइम, फ्रीक्वेंसी, डिग्री सब दिए हुए हैं. अच्छे से इसको रीड कर लेंगे. नाउ क्रॉस आउट द रॉन्ग वन जो एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर नहीं है. ठीक है, देखिए थॉटफुली एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर है, अनयूजुअली है, स्विफ्टली है, रियली है, क्लियरली है, एक्सट्रीमली है, वेल है. एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस एवरीवेयर है, अराउंड है, डाउनस्टेयर्स है, ऑन है, हियर है. एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम नाउ, येस्टरडे, टुडे, इमीडिएटली, ये सब एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर हैं. फ्रीक्वेंसी मीन्स हाउ मेनी टाइम्स द एक्शन इज डन, नंबर, एनुअली, ऑलवेज, रेयरली, नेवर, ऑफन, ये सब एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी है. एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री बताता है कि काम कितना हुआ, इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट, एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड, जस्ट वाव, मच थैंकफुल, वेरी कोल्ड. सो दीज ऑल आर एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री. ठीक है, फिल इन द blanks with suitable adverbs from the exercise. Important है. Aslam ran swiftly. We really tried to make. Saloni spilled ketchup just on her tie. My brother must be somewhere around. I have never seen such an. The children were told to return to the campsite immediately. My mother always tries to be on time. Gunjan often goes to Shimla. Sarah will come along with us as she has almost finished. Yesterday to my surprise, my parents gave me a bicycle. ठीक है, अब इस एक्सट्रैक्ट में कुछ एडवर्ब्स अंडरलाइन करेंगे. Quiet, hard, enough, sooner, sometimes, very. These are the only adverbs in the given passage. आइए आगे की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद ईच पैराग्राफ. इन ईच पैराग्राफ विद एडवर्ब्स. चेंज द फॉर्म्स. जो फॉर्म हमें यहाँ पे दिए हैं बॉक्स में, इसकी फॉर्म को चेंज करके हम फिलअप्स फिल करेंगे. चलिए मैंने कर दिया है, आप जस्ट पेंसिल से कॉपी करिए. द ब्रोचेस वर वर्किंग एक्सट्रीमली, EXTREMELY, हार्ड टू ग्रो वेजिटेबल्स इन देयर गार्डन. दे ऑफन, OFTEN, travel to an organic farm a few kilometers outside the city to buy seeds. They also diligently, DILIGENTLY, maintain a compost pit to avoid using chemical fertilizers. They cheerfully, 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 and generously, GENEROUSLY, share their vegetables with us. Then another box is there, उसके भी हम LY वाली फॉर्म्स यूज़ करेंगे. जो भी है ये, मसाजी इज़ नॉट साइंटिफिकली, SCIENTIFICALLY, trained to solve water crisis, yet he single-handedly, HANDEDLY, ensures that not a single water droplets escape a house unused. He does this successfully, SUCCESSFULLY, through the rechargeable shaft. Okay. To conserve water is rapidly, RAPIDLY, increasing. Its translation into action has been dreadfully slow, DREADFULL. ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट है पोजीशन ऑफ एडवर्ब इन अ सेंटेंस, कि एडवर्ब हमें कहाँ लगाने होते हैं. ये आप अच्छे से रीड कर लीजिएगा बिकॉज इट इज़ रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. मैं आपको फिलअप्स कराती हूँ सीधा. करेक्ट एडवर्ब को चूज़ करेंगे. इट इज़ टू लेट. This match is very exciting. Malti has never done such a thing. This dress is very expensive. Rajdeep is feeling much better today. The train from Chennai arrived late. Praveen has not been keeping well lately. Joseph will surely help you with your experience. Have your lunch quickly. Shikha spoke well at the meeting today. We are already late for the movie. This house is big enough. I can hardly wait for my turn to take prize. His performance in academics has been good. Ajay has looked for his dog everywhere. चलिए अब एक स्लैश लगाएंगे जहाँ पे एडवर्ब इंसर्ट करनी है। माई फैमिली एंड आई often go. It is extremely pleasant. Rohan, where do you usually stay? Ritu, we always stay at the lodge that faces the church. The view from the rooms is very beautiful. What do you usually do on Sundays? Earlier, mother used to wake me up at 8 o'clock. Later, she has begun waking me up at 9. Do you often go to the park on Sundays? Vivek, I seldom go to the park. I always play chess. My father feels that I play chess brilliantly. My brother and I usually watch an education program called Brain Teasers. I am quite happy to be at home with my family. You were away for so much time. I have been extremely worried. The receptionist asked me to wait in the waiting room upstairs. I waited there for almost an hour. I was pretty sure that my turn wouldn't come today, but the doctor finally saw me at 6 o'clock. But I made an appointment for you yesterday. I know, but the doctor was unexpectedly called to attend an emergency. अब बहुत सारी एडवर्ब्स के लिए हमें एक वर्ड चूज़ करनी है। बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज है, हमें बॉक्स में गिवन है, इनको हम सुटेबली फिट करेंगे। देखते हैं कहाँ आती हैं। रीराइट द सेंटेंसेस। दोबारा लिखना है आपको। इट सीम्स टू बी एक्सट्रीमली विदाउट एन एंड एंडलेसली, ENDESSLY। सेकेंड, I am helping in the tree plantation drive of my own voluntarily, VOLUNTARILY. Sahil walked very fast, briskly, BRISKLY. Please reach the auditorium without any delay. Please reach the auditorium immediately, IMMEDIATELY. Single and doubles matches were taking place simultaneously, SIMULTANEOUSLY. This washing machine has to be operated manually, MANUALLY, manually. Seventh, Varun's mother reminded him repeatedly to come back home on time, REPEATEDLY. Gradually, GRADUALLY. Gradually, the children began to understand the concept of gravity. I was very much worried, but eventually, EVENTUALLY. Everything turned out for the best. It is important to wish people courteously, COURTEOUSLY. The flock of birds flew swiftly across the sky, SWIFTLY. The lion looked at the mouse fiercely, FIERCELY. He wrote the letter untidily, UNTIDILY. The conference hall was decorated beautifully, BEAUTIFULLY. After the principal spoke to them, the students went to their classroom silently, SILENTLY. अब हम क्रॉसवर्ड को फिल करेंगे। एडवर्ब्स हमें चूज़ करनी है। मेनी टाइम्स का मतलब क्या होता है? अक्रॉस, पहले मैं बताती हूँ। अक्रॉस होंगे ये और डाउन होंगे ये। अक्रॉस मेनी टाइम्स, ऑफन, OFTEN, एट फिक्स्ड इंटरवल्स मीन्स रेगुलरली, REGULARLY, once a day मीन्स डेली, DAILY. डाउन पे जाएंगे। 2 times मीन्स होता है ट्वाइस, TWICE, ट्वाइस. एट नो टाइम, नेवर, NEVER, नेवर. एट ऑल टाइम्स, ऑलवेज, ALWAYS, ऑलवेज. इसके सेंटेंस बना लीजिएगा। सेंटेंस अब सबके अलग अलग होते हैं। क्लॉसेस को रीड कर लेंगे। अंडरलाइन द डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज, जो डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज है उसे ही मैं रीड कर रही हूँ। द फ्रेंड्स ऑलवेज walked towards the parking lot where the bus was parked. ये डिपेंडेंट है उस सेंटेंस पे। परवेज did not need your notebooks because he was ill and missed school for a few days. You can put the book wherever you like. While his mother was preparing dinner, Prakash laid the table. When Mr. Mystery returned, he found the classroom empty. After the bell rang for the lunch break, Josephine made her way towards the library. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Kinds of adverbs, adverb clauses, इनको रीड करेंगे बहुत अच्छे से. आगे की एक्सरसाइज को बताने से पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि इन्हें मैच करना है पहले तो, और फिर मैच करने के बाद हम इनका बताएंगे कि कौन सा काइंड है. ठीक है. आई हैव पुट द बॉक्स वेयर आई कैन फाइंड इट एंड इट इज़ एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. फर्स्ट वाला, वाइल आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर माई फ्रेंड आई टॉक टू हर मदर, ये एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. सिंस यू हैव स्टडीड दिस बिफोर यू कैन ईजीली answer my question, it is adverb of reason. I made some cards as I wanted to sell them to raise funds for the cause, this is for the purpose. No animal can run faster than the cheetah, it is comparison of degree. 6, you may plant as many saplings in the garden wherever you please, it is adverb of place. It is dull in the evenings. Ever since my best friend moved to Bhopal, it is time. Our teacher said that we could not plant the tree wherever we wanted, it is adverb of place. Since Arpana wanted to conserve energy, she reduced the number of electrical appliances she used, it is for the purpose. Girish turned out to be much better chess player. Then I was told, इसका ये था, इसका ये है. I wash my hands thoroughly with water and soap before picking up my baby sister. इसका है adverb of time. That block of the school is much cleaner as the students there respect their surroundings, it is for the reason. Okay. Complete the sentence with the adverb of clause as indicated in the box. चलिए मैच करेंगे. Wherever you can play, please help your sister with her project work. Azad replied to my email before I could send him a reminder. Let Nina arrange her books as she prefers. As expected, you must apologize to them. 5th, the switch is not working because it is broken. 6, as the performance was good, the audience started clapping. Ghazala suggested replacing paper napkins with cloth napkins in order to save time. 8th, in order to win, we started working harder. Granny can tell more interesting stories because of her experience. Jaskaran prefers to help his parents around the house rather than going out to play. You may do as you please. Nobody knows the facts better than Rahul. So children, these were the adverbs. Next video में मिलेंगे. Prepositions, conjunctions भी लेके आऊँगी आपके लिए. वीडियो अच्छी लगी है, हेल्पफुल है तो आपको सिर्फ थम्स अप करना है और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना है. बाय बाय. कीप वॉचिंग.